Hello you lovely people, how are you all doing this beautiful day? I'm Ishna and I welcome you back to my channel. Today, from the title you are already aware that you are up for a jewelry haul, and this time it's going to be from the brand Ever Stylish. It's an Instagram store as well as a website, and I have purchased a couple of affordable jewelry pieces. I will show everything in detail, so make sure you stick till the end of the video to see all the purchases that I have done, and I have got some amazing stuffs with me today. But before we get started, please spare a moment to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon next to it so that you are notified for all my future uploads. Now let's directly dive into this box and see what all I have got. Before I start with the jewelry pieces, let me show you the box. This is a cardboard box with their logo printed on it, and everywhere it's written everstylish.com, and that is the pattern of the box all through. It's a regular cardboard box, but the packaging was very nicely done. When I open it, sorry, that was my bill, and they have this thermocol sheet which protects your jewelry pieces, and here are your jewelry pieces nicely housed. Now all of these are packed like this, and I will show each of the jewelry pieces, and I'll try them on as well so that you can see actually how they look. So the first jewelry piece is actually something I'm already wearing. So I'm already wearing. This is this beautiful big black pearl piece. Let me give you a closer view of this one. Just look at this stunning piece. This has this black top and this black pearl, which is the dangly part. This is the piece. This color is something that they are saying gunmetal gray. It's a beautiful piece. It glams up any dress, any look that you want to pull off. Just look at it, and the design is so beautiful that this part clings on nicely because it's a bit tilted. You see, it clings on to your ears very nicely, and this bit dangles. And this stunning statement earring piece only costs rupees 168. It is so affordable. I am supremely happy with the quality of the. Why am I wearing? I have to anyways wear the other one. No, that is, yeah. I'm supremely happy with the quality of the jewelry pieces that they have sent. This is a Delhi-based brand. They have their Instagram store as well as their website. I purchase from website. I rarely shop from Instagram stores. Even if I see good Instagram stores, I try to purchase it from website. I don't know, that's a problem with me, I guess. But this is so beautiful. Just look at it, and it's just 168. So within 170 rupees, you're getting a stunning piece like this one. Let's move on to the second one. Now, let me show you another one which is in the golden variant. So this is also a pearl based one, and this is how your this is how your jewelries are housed in this plastic, and then when you take it out, you have this Ever Stylish logo right here, this beautiful design, and the jewelry right here. Now let me wear it and quickly show it to you. Just look at it. It's so glamorous. I mean, you can wear it to special events, wedding and all that. This is a solid piece, so there is no dangly bits here. It's a solid one set. It's golden and pearl. It is a stunning piece, and even if you wear a plain attire like I'm wearing today, it's a very simple peach kurti frock sort of a thing that I'm wearing. It just jazzes up the look like anything. Just see, so pretty. Guess the price. This earring costs rupees 149, so it's lesser than 150. Can you imagine? The quality is so good, and you're getting such a huge statement neck piece for only rupees 149, less than 150. I'll give you another close view so that you can see what you're actually getting for rupees 150. Just look at the finishing. This is a stunning piece, and I am simply in love with all the pieces that I have purchased from Ever Stylish, and I will definitely be purchasing more from them. I love their price point, and often you see that people offer jewelry pieces at great price point. You get it at good prices as well, but they don't fare well when it comes to the quality. That is not the case with Ever Stylish. I am so happy. 2 pieces I have shown you, rest all are in silver, not sterling silver of course. But this is the second piece. Moving on to the third piece, this is another beauty. This is an Afghani earring, and this is something like this. You have the holder here, and this is the huge jhumka dangling part, danglers. So yeah, just look at this piece. This is so stunning. This is way out of my comfort zone. This boho jhumki is like way out of my comfort zone. They are not heavy at all. You can wear it quite easily. आराम से इसको पहना जा सकता है. But when I was in college, I didn't wear so huge pieces. I used to wear long pieces, but not huge in terms of length and breadth as well. But just look at this. This is so pretty. I thought everybody tries Afghani jewelry, boho jewelry and all. Let me try this. This is way out of my comfort zone, but let me try, and I don't think I'll be disappointed. And I am really happy with the decision that I took, and I purchased this. This is so pretty. And the price point, this is 114 rupees. Can you imagine? This is so pretty, and this retails for rupees 114. I mean, I have seen pieces like this in various Instagram stores. They claim for what, 300, 600, and the sky is limit. And this piece has got so much reasonable pricing given to it. The work is so good, it's so nice, and it's lightweight, so you can wear it very easily. You will not face any difficulty while wearing it, and it's a stunning piece regardless of what you wear. You can also wear these boho jhumkis with denims, and it will just look beautiful as well. So these are quite multifaceted, so I really love this one. And of course, thinking about the pricing, it is only 118 rupees, is something that just blows my mind away. Next I have another jhumki. This is the kind of a peacock based motif. It's another beautiful piece. You will wear me wearing these in various videos, or if you haven't already, because I have been using these non-stop ever since they came. Just look at this beautiful finishing, and this peacock motif is just killing me. Just look at this piece. This is so beautiful, and these are super light. They don't make your ears bleed. They are not heavy in any way. The jhumka is very nice. The sound is so nice. This can also glam up any look like anything, and it will not create a lot of I mean, it is not going to weigh your ears down. It's so pretty. This one retails for rupees 148 and also under 150. So it's so pretty, and the finishing is so good. Just look at it. It just makes you look wonderful when you wear it with any dress that you want. I will give links to all of these pieces in my description box below. If you want, you can check it there as well. Lastly, I have a choker set. This choker set has not only the choker, it has got earrings as well. Let me first show you the choker. This is how it looks like. It's so pretty. Wear it. So this is how the choker looks like. Just look at it. It's so understated. It's not too much or too less. It's just about the right size, and the earrings are just the proper set to go with the choker. Let me put on the earrings as well. So together, this is how the set looks like. Just look at the neck piece. It's so pretty, and the earrings, they are also complementing, because this pattern which is on there, the chokers both sides, this is the cylindrical stuff, and the both sides have this thing like shank, and you have the same pattern as the earring. It's really very pretty. And this entire set you get at rupees 258. Yes, you're not even paying rupees 300 for a beautiful choker piece like this, and the matching earrings. Stunning, isn't it? I am floored. I can't rave enough about my experience of shopping with everstylish.com. I will definitely purchase from them again. All of these 5 pieces of jewelry, and my order value was not more than 700 or maximum 770 or 800. It didn't cross 800, I'm pretty much sure. And you can see the quality has not been compromised in any way. Just look at how beautiful this choker looks. You can wear it as a necklace, you can wear it as a choker as well. I prefer to wear it as a necklace, that's why I was showing you like this. You can also make it proper choker and wear it on your neck, and it is just going to look stunning. You can wear this with a kurti, you can wear this with a sari. It will definitely make your attire look more glamorous, and that too within great prices. So it's affordable and it's pretty. What more you are waiting for? You might want to check them out, and they're really good. They take a bit of time to deliver. In the ongoing pandemic, they delivered. That is more than enough. They took time, so I was patient enough as well. So if you place an order, keep that in mind. Your order might be delayed and they might take some time. Like I got it, I guess, for 2 to 3 weeks they took to deliver, but the stuff that I got, I'm ready to wait for 2 to 3 weeks. It doesn't matter to me. So yes, with that we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching all the jewelry pieces that I have purchased from everstylish.com. If you did enjoy this video, please give this video a like, share it with your friends, and comment in the comment section which piece did you like most out of the 5 that I have shown. And if you have purchased anything from everstylish.com, please share your experience in the comment section as well, so that we can exchange our thoughts and ideas and our experience with the brand. And like I have already mentioned, you will get the link of these products in the description box below in case you want to check those out. And before you leave this video, please spare a moment to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future uploads. All my socials details are there at the end of the video and at the description box below as well. You might want to check it out. You can follow me there. I do some separate content in those other platforms as well whenever I have time. So you might want to check me out there also, so that we can stay connected better. So I'll see you in our next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.